Met you at the lobby, 2:10. Coffee in your hand, no plans, just you. Your laugh was loud, your hair a mess. You said I like your voice, I said you're dangerous. We didn't think too far, just a room of you and a heart ajar. Sheets tangle like our fate, woke up too late to hesitate. Late checkout, love room service dreams. You kissed me slow like we had weeks, but by noon it's back to real. Still pretend